new to my channel, I'm a published food and nature photographer from Charlotte, North Carolina, and on this channel I share healthy and delicious vegan recipes. Today on my channel I'm making some vegan chocolate chip pumpkin bread. It's oil free, so if you are looking for a fall bread recipe, this is a great one to try. One of the tips and tricks I've learned over the years doing vegan cooking and vegan baking is that a lot of times you can substitute oil with nut butters, particularly runny roasted almond butter. I totally experimented and decided to try using runny roasted almond butter in place of the oil, and I love how it came out. It was so delicious. It's moist and flavorful. I experimented with this recipe 2 different times using 2 different vegan chocolate chip brands. If you are vegan and you're looking to buy chocolate, always make sure that you're reading the label because chocolate is one of those products that they love to sneak dairy into. So be sure to read the ingredients list to make sure that there's no hidden milk in there. So for the first time I tried this recipe, I used the Enjoy Life dark chocolate morsels. This is a really sweet chocolate. This is great in chocolate chip cookies. And the second time I made them, I decided to use an unsweetened chocolate. This is the Pascha Organic dark chocolate, 100% cacao, and it came out delicious with both of them. So if you're wanting more sweet, sugary bread, use this one, and if you want just kind of like a lighter sweet, more hints of dark chocolate, definitely do this one. If you're ever needing the recipes that I'm making in my videos, just find them in the description box below and you can go from there.
To start off the recipe, grab a large mixing bowl and add 2 cups of whole wheat pastry flour, 1 cup of organic cane sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half of a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, and a tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice. And whisk until nice and combined. Then in a separate mixing bowl, add 1 cup of unsweetened coconut milk, 1 cup of canned pumpkin puree. Make sure you don't get pumpkin pie filling. Half cup of runny roasted almond butter. I used this in place of oil because it has vitamins, minerals, fiber, and protein, whereas oil has no nutritional value, it's just pure fat. So by doing this, you're adding dynamic flavor and more nutrition. 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And whisk this too until nice and combined. Add the wet ingredients to the dry and stir until it's just combined. Then gently fold in 1 cup of vegan dark chocolate chips. Preheat the oven to 350 and add the batter to a lightly greased 10 by 5 inch loaf pan. Add a few more chocolate chips on the top, then bake for 1 hour, rotating the pan halfway through. Let the bread cool completely before you remove it from the pan. When it's ready, you can slice it and serve it with some hot coffee or hot tea. This is probably one of my favorite recipes I have made all year. I hope you love it.
I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you're looking to get the full recipe, it is in the description box below. And as always, thanks so much for watching. It means the world to me. I will see you in a couple more days for another fall recipe. Have a fantastic week. Bye.